Good day, everyone. I am Martin Torres from STEM Health Section C2, and today we'll be discussing about the efficiency of 3D printing in the medical field and how it benefits the healthcare. The website objectives are it explains the concept of 3D printing, its advantages and disadvantages, and outlines how it can help the healthcare. Technology is machinery that apparatus utilizes the practical application of the scientific knowledge in the particular field. Despite the fact that 3D printing is a relatively young technology, it has a rich, diverse, and fascinating history. What is 3D printing? According to Bennett Collin 2023, 3D printing is the process by which three-dimensional digital models are made into physical objects, and it employs a variety of materials. It encompasses a wide range of technologies and materials. It is crucial to think of it as a collection of various sectors with a wide range of potential uses. Examples of 3D printing: prosthetic limbs and body parts. What is prosthetics? A prosthesis is a device that replaces a body part that may have been amputated, lost in an accident, or have been missing from birth. Prostheses can be created by hand or with a computer-aided material. Ambroise Paré was an accomplished barber, surgeon, and anatomist who was official royal surgeon for four French kings, along with improving amputation techniques and survival rates during his time as a war surgeon. The history of prosthetics. A 3,000-year-old mummy was recently discovered sporting a prosthetic big toe. The wooden toe had been meticulously fit to the woman's foot with an attachment strap designed for comfort. There are archaeological examples to back up the literary. Teeth, for example, preserve well as many partial sets of false teeth, many Etruscan origin. Fast forward to 2000 years to what can only be described as the steampunk era of prosthetics. Following these early designs, prosthetic limbs improved by leaps and bounds. World War I and II as well as a large-scale conflicts. How does a prosthetic limb work? Like most people, if you watch someone walk with a prosthetic limb, play a sport, or even day-to-day tasks, you might have marveled at how prosthetic works. There are two types of prostheses: upper extremity prostheses and lower extremity prostheses. Upper are used at varying levels of amputation on the upper body part, while lower extremity prostheses provide replacements at varying levels of amputation on the lower parts of the body. There are three main ways prosthetics are powered. 1. Body powered. This is where your body can control the prosthetic. A cable may move from one shoulder to the prosthetic hand. 2. Motor powered. These have buttons and switches which controls the prosthetic to move. 3. Myoelectric powered. One of the most recent inventions is powering prosthetic limbs by the muscles in your existing limb to generate electrical signal pulses. The benefits of the prosthetics. When an arm or an extremity is amputated or lost, a prosthetic device or prosthesis can play an important role in rehabilitation. The advantages of prosthetic devices. Common advantages of common devices are it offers a better quality of life for those who have amputations, can give these people great self-esteem, allow patients to perform everyday tasks, and artificial legs can help patients walk. While the common disadvantages of prosthetics devices are the expensive price, the high risk of complication, skin irritation, and potential health issues related to the prosthetics. Why did we choose this study? We choose this study since 3D printing could be the next innovation of healthcare. The medical field alone has a number of uses for them. Surgeons are increasingly planning their operations by producing and reviewing 3D printed replicas of the physical problem. Conclusion. It's possible to manufacture small, intricate shapes with 3D printing at a very low cost. This method is becoming more popular in the healthcare sector since it could lead to better therapy for various medical conditions. Good morning, valued visitors. What a wonderful day it is to have you all here today. Announcing the two individuals in charge of this website, Martin O. Torres and Isaiah O. Onglao, both are from Southwestern University FINMA, an institution that promotes stepping into the spotlight. This website, which they created, may be used as a reliable source to understand the true context of 3D printing. The team, Isaiah O. Onglao and Martin O. Torres, me. Thank you for watching my YouTube video and goodbye.